This comes down to their traumas, and they have to work on healing what I call the inner child and what a lot of psychologists call the inner child, which is that 5-year-old part of themselves that's still stuck thinking that they're not good enough, that's still stuck in thinking that they have to be someone else in order to be loved or seen or not abandoned, not feel pain. The easiest thing that they can do is if someone's watching this, is take some time every single day, stand in front of a mirror completely naked, look into your eyes in the mirror, and notice the thoughts that come up in your mind. And most of the time, it's going to be very negative judgments about yourself. What I want you to do is stand in front of the mirror and accept all judgments and all thoughts that come up. Allow them to be there. Every single thought that comes up, just allow it to be there, allow it to be there, allow it to be there. What will happen over time is those thoughts will pass and you'll be standing in front of the mirror, not judging yourself anymore. Doing this every day for the next 7 days will give you a sense of self-compassion that you probably haven't felt in a very long time, because people who follow these movements like Black Pill and I was recently talking to a very famous YouTuber, actually. He's got over 200,000 subscribers. He's in the Men Going Their Own Way movement. Very popular figure in the men's personal development place. And I'm talking to him on Instagram. He's like, I don't have friends. Friends make you weak. Things that are just completely ridiculous. These people need to have a level of self-compassion for themselves, and they need to practice self-compassion every single day so that they can start to heal that 5-year-old part of themselves that's telling them that they're not good enough and they have to do all of these external things to be seen as good enough. Because the truth is, no matter how many external things you do, you're always going to find reason, because you're not fixing the root cause. So you'll see this with people who do plastic surgery, right? They'll fix their nose and make it smaller. And then next year they make their nose more smaller and more smaller, to the point where they have no nose. And then all of a sudden they're getting their cheeks filled. And then all of a sudden they're getting their jaws filled, because the root problem hasn't been fixed. You can fix your jaw, but your inner child, that 5-year-old part of yourself, is still going to find a reason to say, hey man, you're still not good enough. And because you're not good enough, we need to fix something else and fix something else and fix something else.